All right, welcome to VW Life, and today,
look at that.
We're building
a body cart.
A body cart.
Yep.
Wow.
So that body is going to be on this cart, and then we can rearrange the whole shop.
Look at that. 16 lag bolts, 4 caster wheels, and 3-inch wood screws.
So first step is to go to Home Depot and get some supplies.
We don't have to buy caster wheels because Gary
already supplied Martin's.
Authentic German caster wheels.
These are Blickles.
Because it'd be nice if we got to wheel it out.
It would really be nice to get it body clean.
Yeah.
So people in the last video asked the size. I think we forgot to mention that.
Oh, you got
16 by 16.
All right, well, you brought Jerry in the trailer. I don't think we have a whole lot of supplies to get, but we can show everybody your trailer. Join us on VW Life today while we build Martin's...
what do you call that?
Body cart.
Body cart.
Oh, God. Martin died.
Down goes Martin.
Did you hit your ankle on one of those bolts?
What'd you do?
I hit my shin on the beam.
This trailer's pretty special to you. Tell me about it.
Well, Matt Jackson, this is my dad's old trailer that he used to use when he would go camping up in Colorado. And he had it custom made back in 1960. So my dad passed away, and so we were able to go up and get it. I remember it, he had a canvas cover and fit on it really taut. So I'm trying to look for a canvas cover, but we already got some grabbers on it. Look at that.
General Grabber Mafia.
General Grabber Mafia. So yeah, it's I got to do a little wiring on it too. Fender on one side needs a little work.
But it's older than Jerry.
Yes, it's a 1960. Yeah, yep. It's definitely older than Jerry. So I just remember my dad towing this and heading up to Colorado to go, deer hunting. And it also tilt beds. Right? Yeah. It's got big old oak planks in there, so you can see that too.
All right, well, let's go to Home Depot.
Let's go get some stuff.
I think 3-inch should go from here to here, so you're going deep into that. I think. A cart so we can get some wood.
Now we get some lumber. Hey, Gary, we didn't really get much work done.
Yeah, we're on our way to accomplish lunch. Hey, we made it to Home Depot, Matt Jackson. That's a step in the right direction, right?
Now it's time for some Culvers.
Oh yeah, our new favorite place.
I already got I got a splinter.
Okay. Here, wait. I got it. Hold on, Matt Jackson. Oh my gosh, that's bad.
I might have to go to the ER.
Which way do you think?
Come in from this side.
All right, you ready? Good Lord, dude. Oh. VW Life. Oh, good thing I'm a surgeon.
Oh gosh. Are you gonna send me your bill?
Yeah, just wait.
Put it over there. So over the. Oh, that's a good shot. I don't think the steering wheel doesn't do anything.
Yeah, no, it actually does.
Oh, it does? Oh.
And what it is directly against it.
Yeah, because if we were to build it out there, we know this is square.
Yeah, we'll build it all cattywampus on the ground. So tip 1, build it on something flat.
Yeah.
It's good.
Did I tell you I got we need you to go out there, man.
She must love the follow.
All right, what are we doing, Martin?
Cutting wood. According to that.
So what piece are we making first?
I'm gonna do the 12s, I think.
Okay, first step is we're gonna cut these side supports. There's 8 of them.
One of the most important tools to have is this 45 square. And you
Yeah,
can
it's a builder. It's called a builder's square, isn't it?
Yeah, builder square. Look, it makes a little teepee. So this is our 12-inch marks. And there's old Barry.
Oh, Barry. Where's his facial hair?
Oh, he had to shave it to be Popeye.
Shave it to be Popeye.
Don't get mine.
Oh my God.
We're burning the wood.
You know what? You know what?
So
The stuff you get in the trash is just not good anymore, Matt Jackson.
So this is from the trash?
This is from the this is from the trash. I can't believe that. People are throwing away perfectly bad stuff. Smoking the
I thought the
very
motor
stuff.
was burning up.
No. So it's because it's microscopic. And I have one that's a little
This
thicker.
is for plywood.
Yeah, I was gonna say it's for
We're
thinner
not
stuff.
first.
We got all 8 of the support
Really, we don't even have to cut
sides
those.
cut. Now we're gonna
Two
cut
24s,
these
and those are what,
24-inch
60s?
risers.
64.
So from here to here, for the car to actually sit up here, so we figured best to put it from the A-pillar back down to the back front of the rear fender, and it's 52 inches.
So what we're gonna do is have one of them be right there and one of them be right there, right about where the A and the back is.
So that's that one. And so basically we need
just as far as up in the air as it's going to be off the ground.
then you got 4 inches of caster underneath it. And we measured the wheels and they're right under 24 inches.
At the center.
So, but go ahead and put your,
I'm at 52 inches
and
there.
then put that piece on,
Yeah.
And then we can measure on the end there.
and then see what you're at.
So we're measuring, we'll do it at 61 inches, gives us a hair over.
Okay, and then so we go cut these. Let's make sure we're at.
Center to center. Oh, right, no, right here.
We're not going to be edge to
Edge to edge.
Edge to edge.
So the distance we're doing from there to there is 52.
That's a good thing. That's why you measured twice.
What's the lesson we just learned?
You always measure twice and cut once, Matt Jackson.
Because we would have just screwed up.
We would have had to go back to Home Depot again. Here's the problem. You got a bunch of yahoos working with wood and angles and numbers, and all I'm used to is like 19. Hand me a 10 millimeter. Martin's yelling at me. Ooh, good thing I got steel-toe boots.
Crack my floor down.
We're going to do 2 of these guys?
Okay, so we've got the 2 side pieces done, and it's time to put the 2 top boards on. Yeah, so the whole body on the pan with wheels should be able to roll in and out of this area. All right.
Woobity.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Oh, we made a park bench.
Yeah. Oh yeah, look.
So we go, snap, like a table.
Courtesy of Uncle Target.
We're gonna turn sideways too.
So we're going to try to screw basically 2 pilot holes for the lag bolts on either side of the boards.
What rings on there? Is it?
This way, but it this way.
So what we're gonna do is gonna have double these up for extra support.
Yeah, because we already had these already cut, right, Matt Jackson?
Yeah, we ended up with 8 of these. of cutting these supports, we ended up with 8 of these, so we're gonna just double them up.
Keep going until it closes up.
It ain't gonna go nowhere.
All right, I think we're done.
Man,
Done-ish. We gotta do the.
I'm wore out, Matt Jackson. First, we use these bolts that had fractions.
Yeah, they're like American versions, not
What's up with-
metric.
Yeah, somebody said 7/16. What is that?
I don't even know why.
What in the world is going on with that, Matt Jackson?
The next step is to maybe separate those two.
Yeah, or my suggestion would be to get this running.
Right now.
We already got transmissions right there.
Yeah, let's
How
start.
long would it take?
I think everybody on the YouTube really wants Martin's car to run sooner than later.
Yeah,
so.
I know.
I told you they need to send money.
Send money. Let's make bets. We need to like Vegas has prop bets.
Yeah.
When does the 65 actually hit the road on its own?
Let's do that.
Yeah, we should do that.
Everyone leave a comment.
Yeah, when
you think it'll be, and the day we get it rolling,
Yeah,
again,
you'll get a free T-shirt.
a free VW Life T-shirt.
Yep.
Good idea.
One that says the Bearded Wonder on it.
Yes.
Whoa! Look at that.
Tommy Guns.
Oh my gosh, that is amazing.
It is.
That is a piece of craftsmanship.
It does look wide, yeah.
Here, hand me the seat. Come on back.
All right, so we have to empty the Beetle.
Ooh, Baja fenders. Yeah, take the thing out. Careful.
Got some debris.
Yeah, French guy.
All right, so change of plans. We're gonna pressure wash it.
This thing drives. Stand back, Matt Jackson.
Okay, good job, Gary. We didn't need the power washer, but
Oh, look how clean it got.
yeah, that'll make it much easier for him to start working on it.
Yeah, you know what? Be done with filth.
Now we're gonna put the pan on those 2 bottom braces right there.
Just set it in there and then walk in. Hey. Yeah. All right.
Whoa, the board fell out. Yeah, from the inside. All right, come down.
Perfect.
Look at Barry being all smart.
That's a good idea.
Yeah, they were not stumbling over the body.
So we're gonna pick up the body, come in this way, and then pick it up and put it over like that.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh my
Yeah. Oh, they're coming this way. Okay.
Full of water.
All right.
Watch your step.
Okay.
You want to turn it around, you want the nose out.
What it is? Gary's carrying.
Watch that axle.
I see it.
Okay.
What up? Lift up, move it.
Wow, that's perfect. The cool thing Martin came up with was the support going across the bottom on the for the pan, so it floats around too, and so he's just putting a couple little tacks in that, and it's also keeping it from splaying out like that.
Yep. It's like double-decker storage.
Yeah, but I mean he made all this for
From the plan. We'll put the plan on our Facebook
Yeah.
page if you guys want to check it out.
it's really clever.
Yeah, look how smoothly it's rolling.
And the key there too is to spend money on German casters.
Good German casters.
Yeah.
All right, so now we're gonna move Martin's 71?
Yeah.
71 Westy to this side of the driveway.
Yeah.
And not die.
It's fine. It's all right, Gary. Okay, Gary. That was easy enough. That's good. Hold it. The parking brake doesn't work. All right, it's good.
All right.
Well, guys.
Well,
Woo!
more progress.
Yes, the 65 is now safely up on, what do you call those things that we built?
Body dolly.
Body dolly.
Yeah, a body cart.
A body cart. Martin's plans are going to be, where are they going to be?
We'll put a link to our Facebook page and we'll have his plans on there. And
Yeah.
hopefully you learned how to do it, and if you need to do it,
Yeah,
you can do it now too.
You can build it for 80 to 90 bucks.
Yeah.
Something like
Depending on
that.
what casters you use.
Thank you guys for joining us today. This is just another little thing. It's what you can't work on your car if you can't get to it.
Right. Every step is another step towards getting it on the road.
That's right. I mean, I'm thinking
I think December.
December. I'm thinking winter cruise. That's my.
December 2025.
So we're gonna have you know how
Contest.
Vegas has prop bets. We're gonna prop bet. You can go ahead and think, when will the Bearded Wonder have the 65 on the road?
We're gonna do our best to help him, but we need you guys to guess when it will be.
Yeah, and give him some inspiration. That means money.
Yeah, buy stickers. We'll put a link to his eBay store.
Definitely buy stickers. Thank you guys for joining us. Make sure you tell your aunts, tell your uncles, tell everybody you know about VW Life. We do this for you guys. I mean, all we're doing is this is just fancy home movies
With music.
Body carts in there now, and he's got the tubs in there and getting some shelves built, so that thing like that's coming along. He's got some lighting that we're gonna get wired up pretty soon. So that's kind of a whole little thing too, is the building of Martin's shop. So thank you guys. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, buy some merch.
And we will see you guys later.
Bye everybody.